Maya Angelou, poet. Words are not mere sounds, Angelou might declare. Our assumptions, like carefully chosen words, chisel the canvas of reality. Think of your life not as a series of random events, but as a reflection of your deepest beliefs. This wasn't mere philosophy. It was a profound truth I once shared. The key to shaping your reality, I explained, lies in your assumptions, the unconscious beliefs that govern your thoughts and experiences. Our world is filtered through the lens of our perception. We see limitations, obstacles, and possibilities based on ingrained assumptions. The world itself isn't inherently fixed. It's neutral clay waiting to be shaped by the potter of our minds. By consciously choosing our assumptions, we become the potters, molding the world around us. Most people react to life, bouncing from event to event. I challenge this reactive approach. Instead, we must become proactive creators, consciously choosing the assumptions that shape our experiences. Do you believe success is out of reach? Shift your assumption to one of inherent potential. Do you see limitations? Challenge them with the assumption of boundless possibilities. Feeling is the bridge. Simply having an intellectual understanding of these concepts isn't enough. The key lies in feeling. Imagine yourself already experiencing the reality you desire. Immerse yourself in the emotions of success, the joy of fulfillment, the security of abundance. This feeling becomes the bridge between your present reality and the potential waiting to be manifested. When you feel it, you embody it, and the universe conspires to bring it into your experience. Beyond visualization. Visualization, a common technique for manifesting desires, can be helpful. But I offered a deeper solution. Visualization often involves creating mental pictures of your desired outcome. Instead, I advocated for a feeling of beingness. Step into the reality you desire, not just see it. Feel the clothes you want to wear, the satisfaction of a job well done, the warmth of a loving relationship. This embodied feeling is the spark that ignites creation. A seed. Planted, not a fruit picked. Think of your desires as seeds. Planting a seed doesn't instantly produce a fruit. It takes time for it to grow. Similarly, when you plant a seed of desire through your assumptions and feelings, it takes time to manifest in your physical reality. Don't be discouraged by the seeming slowness. Trust the process. Nurture your assumptions. And eventually, the harvest will arrive. Challenges. As stepping stones, obstacles and challenges are inevitable, but I reframe them as stepping stones on your path to creation. They might seem like setbacks, but within them lie valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. Maintain your focus on your desired state, and use the challenges to refine your assumptions and strengthen your belief. Challenges become opportunities to solidify your faith in the power of your mind. Awakening the dreamer. We are all dreamers, I explained, weaving the fabric of our reality with our thoughts and beliefs. The world you experience is a reflection of your internal world. By consciously choosing your assumptions and cultivating the feeling of your desired state, you reclaim your authorship of your life story. You become the conscious creator, shaping your experience and stepping into the reality you envision. Beyond the individual. The impact of your conscious creation extends beyond your personal reality. As you transform your own world, you inspire others to do the same. By sharing your story and radiating the joy of your manifested desires, you become a beacon of hope, encouraging others to take responsibility for shaping their own realities. A rising tide lifts all boats, and your success empowers others to create their own. Living the promise. I didn't simply preach. I embodied the principles I shared. I lived my life with a deep conviction in the power of assumptions. I dared to dream beyond limitations and manifested my desires, radiating the joy and fulfillment of a life consciously created. This living example became a testament to the power of conscious creation, inspiring others to take control of their own destinies. Assumptions and relationships. The power of assumptions doesn't stop at material desires. It extends to our relationships. Do you assume your partner is distant or uncaring? Shift that assumption. Focus on the love you desire and cultivate positive feelings. This shift in perspective can create a ripple effect, influencing your partner's behavior and drawing you closer together. The power of revision. Life isn't a one-way street. If your assumptions have created an unwanted reality, you have the power to revise them. Don't like a past event? Reimagine it. Focus on the lessons learned, the strength gained, and rewrite the script with a more positive narrative. This revision doesn't erase the changing your assumptions isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous practice. Imagine a sculptor meticulously shaping a piece of marble. They don't make one stroke and declare the masterpiece complete. Similarly, consistent mental chiseling is required to reshape your reality. Repeat your desired assumptions, not out of desperation, but with a sense of conviction and expectation. This repetition imprints your belief system, paving the way for manifestation. From doubt to conviction, the power of positive self-talk. Doubt is a natural human tendency, but it can be a roadblock to creation. Combat doubt with positive self-talk. Instead of dwelling on limitations, affirm your capabilities. I am worthy of success. I am capable of achieving my goals. These affirmations become mantras, chipping away at the walls of doubt and reinforcing your faith in your ability to create your desired reality. Aligning with your highest self. Your assumptions aren't isolated thoughts. They are expressions of your core beliefs about yourself. Do you see yourself as a victim of circumstance or a powerful creator? Aligning your assumptions with the belief that you are a co-creator with the universe fosters a sense of empowerment and fuels the manifestation process. Imagine yourself embodying the qualities you desire: confident, capable, and deserving. The power of gratitude. Gratitude isn't just a pleasant feeling, it's a powerful tool for creation. By expressing gratitude for the good things in your life, big or small, you shift your focus to abundance and open yourself to receive more. This isn't about forcing gratitude for a challenging situation, but about recognizing the blessings that already exist and trusting the universe to deliver more. Living in the end. Embodying your desires. Don't just dream about your desired reality. Live in it. Imagine yourself already experiencing your goals achieved. Make choices that align with your desired state. The more you live in the end, the more you embody the vibration of your desires, and the faster they manifest in your physical reality. It's a constant feedback loop. Your assumptions shape your reality, and your reality reinforces your assumptions. The art of letting go. Once you've planted the seed of assumption and nurtured it with feeling, the key is to let go. Micromanaging the how of manifestation can hinder the process. Trust the universe to orchestrate the events needed to bring your desires to fruition. Detachment allows you to remain centered and positive, attracting your goals with a relaxed confidence. A life of purposeful creation. Conscious creation isn't just about acquiring material possessions. It's about aligning your desires with a deeper sense of purpose. What impact do you want to have on the world? What legacy do you want to leave behind? By integrating this purpose into your assumptions, you create a life that resonates not just with personal fulfillment, but with a sense of contributing to a greater good. The ever-unfolding tapestry. a journey of refinement. This journey of conscious creation is not a linear progression. There will be moments of doubt, setbacks, and challenges. But these aren't failures. They are opportunities for refinement. Revisit your assumptions, strengthen your beliefs, and stay focused on your desired state. The tapestry of your reality is constantly being woven, and with each revision, each shift in perspective, you become a more skilled weaver, shaping your life into a masterpiece of your own design. Shaping reality isn't a one-time act. It's an ongoing process of refinement. Imagine a sculptor diligently chiseling away at a raw block of stone. Each stroke reveals a hidden form, inch by inch, bringing the masterpiece to life. Similarly, consistent effort is required to transform your assumptions and reshape your reality. Repeat your desired beliefs, not out of desperation, but with unwavering conviction. This repetition imprints your subconscious, paving the way for manifestation. From doubt to conviction, silencing the inner critic. Doubt, a natural human tendency, can derail creation. Instead of dwelling on limitations, challenge them with positive self-talk. I am worthy. I am capable. I am achieving my goals. These affirmations become mantras, chipping away at the walls of self-doubt and reinforcing your faith in your ability to create. Aligning with your essence. Assumptions aren't isolated thoughts. They reflect your core beliefs about yourself. Do you see yourself as a victim of circumstance or a co-creator with the universe? Aligning your assumptions with the belief that you are a powerful creator fuels the manifestation process. Imagine embodying the qualities you desire: confident, capable, deserving. As you cultivate this inner vision, it resonates outward, attracting experiences that match your self-image. Gratitude, a magnet for abundance. Gratitude isn't just a pleasant feeling, it's a potent tool for creation. By expressing appreciation for the good things in your life, big or small, you shift your focus to abundance and open yourself to receive more. This isn't about forcing gratitude in challenging situations, but about acknowledging blessings and trusting the universe to deliver. Living the end. Embodying your vision. Don't just dream about your desired reality, live it. Imagine yourself already experiencing your goals achieved. Make choices that align with your desired state. The more you live in the end, the more you embody the vibration of your desires, accelerating their manifestation. It's a feedback loop. Your assumptions shape your reality, and your reality reinforces your assumptions. Letting go. Trusting the cosmic playwright. Once you've planted the seed of assumption and nurtured it with feeling, the key is to let go. Micromanaging the how of manifestation can hinder the process. Trust the universe, a vast and intricate stage, to orchestrate the events needed to bring your desires to fruition. Detachment allows you to remain centered and positive, attracting your goals with relaxed confidence. A life of purposeful creation. Conscious creation isn't just about material possessions. It's about aligning your desires with a deeper sense of purpose. What impact do you want to leave on the world? What symphony of change do you wish to conduct? By integrating this purpose into your assumptions, you imbue your life with meaning, leaving a legacy that resonates far beyond your individual experience. This journey isn't a linear progression. There will be moments of discord, unexpected notes in the symphony. These challenges aren't failures, but opportunities for refinement. Revisit your assumptions, strengthen your beliefs, and stay focused on your desired state. So the tapestry of your reality is an ongoing creation, and with each revision, each shift in perspective, you become a master weaver, shaping your life into a masterpiece of your own design. Wield the chisel of your assumptions and sculpt the reality you desire. You are the co-creator, and the power to create lies within you.